Kelly Timecat again. Hello, it's Kelly Timecat again. Welcome to my second blog. COP27 is currently taking place in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt, and I thought it would be good to talk about environmental matters. 97% of scientists agree that anthropogenic greenhouse gases are leading to an increase in global temperatures. And on 27th of October, the IPCC released a special report that revealed that time is running out to mitigate the damage by limiting the rise in temperature to 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels. The world's leaders and their representatives are negotiating policies that hopefully will lead to net zero, but there's a lot we can do as individuals to reduce our personal impact. Here are a few thoughts from me. When you need to travel, cycle, walk, or use public transport whenever you can. Cities such as London have an excellent infrastructure, and active transport is an opportunity for many of us. Some people aren't able to do so because they haven't got the same mobility, and others need to carry heavy items. There may be alternatives such as cargo bikes, but it won't suit everyone. It's much more difficult in smaller towns and rural areas, of course, but if you have the option, it will help. Refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, recycle. By minimising our consumption and following this hierarchy, we can produce less waste. Cut down on the use of plastic in particular. In the UK, recycling rules vary between every local authority. In the UK, recycling rules vary. Every local authority seems to have a different setup. I think it would help if recycling was incentivised. Up until the early 70s, there was a deposit return scheme, and in other countries such as Finland and Sweden, you can return bottles and cans to a supermarket where machines read the barcodes and issue you with money back or vouchers that you can use when paying for your next lot of groceries. I think it would be great if the barcodes contained additional information where you can recycle the items when you're finished with them. Perhaps it would take a QR code with more information and an app that read it and display the information relevant for your district or borough council. Energy in the home. I switched to a green electricity supplier in the mid-noughties, and I did the same with my gas supply a few years later. I'll put some information in the description about Ecotricity, Good Energy and other companies that invest in solar, wind and other renewable sources of fuel. Insulate your home as best as you can. There are charities that help with this. Make sure you allow for natural ventilation as well. Can be a balance, especially as every room needs an air change, so you need to occasionally let fresh air in. Buy local and support local businesses in your area as possible, and buy seasonal food. There are plenty of other ideas as well, and you may have a few. I hope the ideas were helpful. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts about alternatives. Please leave your comments. It'd be interesting to see what thoughts you have about how to help reduce our personal climate impact, as well as lobbying our governments to do more on a national level. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.